All right, friends, so for dinner tonight, we are going to use the leftover chicken from our wet burritos that we had yesterday, and we're gonna make some chicken taquitos. So let's get started. All right, friends, so for my tortillas, I've got all my ingredients here. We are gonna be making some corn tortillas. It is very difficult to find corn tortillas in my town. So we're gonna start off with 2 cups of the maseca mix. And we're gonna go ahead and add some salt. And I've got some hot water here. So we're just gonna add water until I feel that this is a Play-Doh consistency. You don't wanna have any dry spots. So to check and see if it is ready, we're gonna go ahead and get a ball of this, roll it up, and flatten it. All right, see how it cracked? I need to add a little bit more water. When you roll it up and then flatten it, you shouldn't have any cracks along the edges. I'm gonna add a little bit more water. Now, depending on the size that you want your tortillas, that's how big you're gonna make your balls. I'm just gonna kind of eyeball them and do about a golf ball size. Now, you're gonna wanna make sure you keep a damp cloth over this because you don't wanna dry those out as you continue to make your balls. All right, friends, so all of my little tortilla balls are all ready to go. So I've got my handy dandy press here and I've got some plastic wrap over it. I'm just gonna take one of these, put it roughly in the middle, and go ahead and smash it down. And here we got a perfect little tortilla. I'm gonna go ahead and flip it and try it and smash it one more time. See if it'll get a little thinner. All right, now over here I've got my skillet on hot. Go ahead and put that on there. And I'm gonna let it cook for probably about 45 seconds, flip it, and another 45 seconds.
Hold up just a minute, been looking for some help just to find myself. Yeah, been losing my focus like 1,000 times before. Can't take this anymore. Cause I've been looking for something to change thoughts into motion. Been waiting way too long. Yeah, waiting just for somebody to love and to surround me and to handle my emotions. I was out waiting for something, and if I close my eyes, it's all been a waste of time. I was out driving every mile.
All right, friends, so I am all done with our corn tortillas. And look at how soft they are, and that's what you want because you want them soft if you're gonna be rolling them up to make taquitos out of. And over here, I've got our chicken that we made yesterday, and I just added some cheese to it. I'm gonna go ahead and mix it around, and this is what I'm gonna use to fill those corn tortillas. I've got some lard in my cast iron skillet. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on and let this start warming up. Now this is super easy. Just gonna take our tortilla, add it in your filling, and then we're gonna roll it up nice and tight. And then just put them off to the side. Now we're gonna go ahead and fry these up. And a good way to test if your oil is hot enough, get a wooden spoon, stick it in there. If you see bubbles starting to form, then you know it is hot enough. So we're gonna go ahead and carefully put these in seam side down. Friends, so we are all done. All these taquitos have now been fried up, and now we're gonna try them out and see how they taste. Now when it comes with these, definitely you wanna dress them up with some avocado, some sour cream, salsa, whatever you have, and it will just add to the flavor of this. Let's go ahead and try one of these out. You hear that crunch? Homemade tortillas, way better than your store-bought corn tortillas. You gotta try these out, friends. They're amazing. All right, friends, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you give it a try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.